What's up, YouTube? What up, friends and fam? It's your boy, Kenny Lucas. Today I just want to touch in real quick how to use Craigslist for your business, how to advertise with Craigslist, how to get new customers with Craigslist, how to hire off Craigslist, all of the above. And before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and tell your friends about my channel too. I'm going to be not swearing from here on out so kids can get the message too, because it's important that I teach the children of the nation to be good people and, you know, how to work for themselves and be rich instead of going down the paths that most Americans take and just working jobs for other people and always looking for the next best job, when really the key to happiness is multiple sources of income. Anyway, how to use Craigslist. So Craigslist, you can post stuff and it costs $5 per post for services. I've posted a couple service posts recently for snow removal. I've gotten a lot of leads from that, actually. I've gotten probably 20 phone calls, I would say. 10 of which I probably closed, and then 10 of them I didn't, because sometimes the customers ask too much. You'll know what I mean once you start getting customers call in wanting your service. Some people ask a lot of you, and if it's not worth the money, then it's not worth the money. Don't be rude about it, but just say, hey, we don't do that, or yada yada, like some sort of excuse. So you can post service ads where you can literally post your service for anything. If you're a personal trainer, if you're a snow remover, if you're if you got a construction company, or you do rugs, even if you just have a specialty, go ahead and post it on Craigslist. Put your number on the ad. That way people can just call you right away. Hey, Johnny, I seen that you're a painter. Can you give me a quote on my house, painting my house? This is something for anybody to do, man, whether or not you just want side work for the weekends or you're looking to start your own company like I did. It's smart. Just more money in your pocket. You're gonna meet different people, different opportunities. Just post your service on Craigslist, man. It's real easy. Just go to post, and post a service. Costs $5. Sometimes costs $3, and that's it. Be very descriptive in your ad of what you're going for. Use certain keywords and whatnot. Look at different videos to look up keywords, how to get really recognized. But then another thing I've been using Craigslist for is to post under gigs, hiring. I've posted like a total of like 4 in my lifetime under gigs about hiring people. This last one worked out really good. I hired Matt. Now we're business partners. You never know who you're gonna hire off Craigslist. So I encourage you, even if your business isn't that big and you can't employ somebody full time, just post it anyway. Even if you just have a gig or two, like every now and then, that you need somebody's help, post it anyway. You're gonna be happy you did. And a lot of times it's better doing that than using a friend or a family member that because family and friends are great, but they're sometimes not the best for business. They ask a lot of you, or you think you should give a lot more to them just because they're your friend or family. And it's better just to have a worker with you. That way it's strictly business. You don't got to give them half the pay or anything like that. You pay them by the hour. You're going to make a lot more money. And who knows, you might meet a connection like I did with Matt, that we both want the same thing. And now we're 50-50 on a business, So things are good now, that me and Matt met. And everything happens for a reason, man. You really don't know who you're gonna meet when you hire somebody off Craigslist. You really don't. For example, Matt winds up being an train engineer, conductor. So he can go back to that any day and go make 150, 200 grand a year. So that's just for example, man. So just post on Craigslist. Don't be afraid to hire off Craigslist. The worst you can do is meet up with somebody, you don't like them, and just say, hey, you're not hired. It's that easy. Another way to get work off Craigslist is just respond to gigs. Some people post gigs for companies to get. Those are the people that don't respond, or you know, they post a gig plus they're responding to the services on Craigslist. But some people post these gigs. For example, my customer down in Providence, I have 15 accounts with him right now for snow removal, and he posted it under gigs on Craigslist. So you never know who you're gonna get, man. That's my top customer right now. Every snowstorm he probably pays me $800 per snowstorm, and he has 15 houses. So if you do the math, that's like $70 per driveway, man. That's pretty good money. So I'm super happy about him. He really kicked off the business and allowed me to hire Matt. So it's just a chain reaction. It's multiple things, getting yourself out there. We'll go over Facebook at another time. I'm just learning about Craigslist, how to do it on Craigslist. And then as I learn more about Facebook and all this, then I'll talk about it. I don't know much about Facebook to be talking about it, but I just wanted to make this about Craigslist, a quick little tidbit. You know, hopefully it helps somebody out. Hopefully it inspires somebody that looks like myself to go do it. Or if you're a youngin' and you want to go do it, just go do it, man. I don't care if you're 8 years old, 10 years old. If you have a service to provide somebody and you can get paid for it, post it under services. Just do it. What do you have to lose? $5. That's all you have to lose is $5. Stop being so attached to your money and spend it. Spend $5 on services. You know what I mean? Post your service on Craigslist. You never know who's going to respond. You never know what kind of contract you're going to get. And for today, that's it. Please comment down below if you like this video, if you want more of this stuff, if you have a recommendation about business or mindset or anything of that nature. Just comment down below and I'll make a video about it. Love you guys. Again, subscribe and share my video to other people. And yeah, love y'all. Peace.